Hi folks, I'm inspecting a job today that's not a barn or a log cabin, but a project we started a year ago. It's the Shakopee farmhouse, I refer to it as. They just got the windows in last week, and they asked me if I was going to put in the stuff so that they could do those upper ones there are supposed to have arches on them like the ones in the old brick house. And and there's a $10,000 front door. I think it's actually more than that. The brick is all here for the front, but they haven't started doing any of that. They'll have to, let's see, if they're going to do brick, they're going to have to heat it and tarp it and go through a lot of extra expense, probably. But anyway, I got out of here, I think, just in time, because things have slowed to a halt around here. This wall here is bowed really bad. We've got it tied in so it doesn't fall over. Those are the windows that are supposed to be out in front. And over here, the guys are still working on trying to frame out the windows. I helped with that one last year, and I don't know if they tore out the stuff we did, but they've managed to get over to this one, and we started on this one, and that's about it. So I don't know if they're gonna get it done or board it up or what. Look like they got the heating system in, and that's about it. But this room is something else. These windows, pretty unbelievable. Oh, there, the elevator shaft hasn't changed much. And my sawhorses are still here with a bunch of 2x4s on them. So anyhow, like I said, I'm glad I got off of this bus when I did, because it's slowed to a halt months ago. Anyhow, thanks for watching, folks. Bye.